here's what I've done. I went ahead and added 4 more text boxes, and I put the labels beside the text boxes in a row. So what this is going to do is it's going to, each time we try parse in information, we're going to pass it down to our add numbers function and then return the answer. So I'm going to go ahead. As you can see, I haven't done it yet, so I'm going to pause this, and when you come back, some magic is going to happen. And now that you're back, you can see that the variable declarations summed up together and the try parsing occurred. Yeehaw! Notice how I haven't made any changes to our private function. It's still going to pass down 2 numbers, still receives first number and second number. So here's where we can use this multiple times. I'm going to just go ahead and assign the answers out. So label3.text is going to equal our add number, so we're calling upon our function. The first number we're going to pass down is num1, comma, because that's what it wants. Where's that comma at before? Right down here. And then we're going to go num2 and bring that back. We can continue the process by passing down num3 and num4's value. So add numbers. I'm going to go num3, num4. Notice how they're still passing down the first and second integer. Here's what you have to understand about that. Is that these two just receive what is being thrown at it. They can have different names. The only thing that is a big rule is that they have to match up. So if I wanted to throw num5 in here, it would error out because I only have 2 receivers. So num3 has to go to first num, num4 has to go to second num. In a division problem, it may make a bigger piece of a difference. Or if we're working with some sensitive information, if we put the wrong information in the wrong spot, it may cause some issues. Label5.text equals add numbers, num5, num6. Once again, num5 passes to the first num, num6 to the second. In this instance, if we switch them, then num6 would pass to the first num, num5 would pass to the second num. It tells me I have some errors. I find that hard to believe. Where am I particularly erring out is a great question. Let's see. R is not declared. I must have. That is weird. First num as integer, second num as integer. And it's telling me my R is declared. Okay. Please hold while I fix this monstrosity. That was weird. Okay. I just had to retype the word. So we go here. We're going to do 3, 4, and we're going to be adding just a cross, just so you know. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When I hit the button, it does our math almost correctly. 3 plus 4 is 7, 5 plus 6 is 13, 7 plus 8 is not 13. Both are 2 off, which makes no sense. So let's check it out, why that possibly happened. Because it did our first number correct, had a hangover there. Num3, num3, num4. I bet I know. Bet my text box is mixed up. 4, 5, 3, and 6. So there you have it. That's why it didn't work, because my text boxes were reversed. Live and learn. Again, I don't mind showing the mistakes because it shows you how to hunt your errors down.